Bodybuilding is not just a physical endeavor, it also significantly impacts psychological well-being. Here are some key psychological aspects associated with bodybuilding. 1. Discipline and routine. Bodybuilding requires a strict discipline in training, nutrition, and recovery. This discipline fosters resilience and self-improvement, translating into other life areas, enhancing time management and goal-setting skills. 2. Mind-body connection. Bodybuilders develop a profound connection between their bodies and minds. This awareness improves stress management and emotional regulation, contributing to the overall mental clarity and focus. 3. Motivational and emotional benefits. Key motivations for bodybuilding includes mood control, physique, anorexia, and personal challenge. Engaging in bodybuilding can elevate stress and boost self-esteem as individuals witness their physical transformation over time. Community and support. Joining bodybuilding communities, whether online or in person, provide social support and encouragement. This camaraderie can reduce feeling of isolation and foster a sense of belonging, which is vital for mental health. Psychological challenges. Despite its benefits, bodybuilding can lead to the psychological issues like muscle dysmorphia, where individuals feel inadequate despite their physical achievements. This condition can drive unhealthy behaviors and an obsession with appearance.